Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The only upside to canned corned beef hash is it is canned already cooked through, so you can technically eat it without cooking it. Though, it is usually recommended that you heat it and brown it, otherwise it is not going to be good.
Take our lead.
If there is too much sticking, add a little more oil to the pan. Continue to cook in this manner until the potatoes and the corned beef are browned and crispy on the bottom, about 8 minutes. Once browned, add water, then cover with a lid and steam until water evaporates, about 2 to 3 minutes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Sort of a riff on corned beef and hash. Really adding lots of veggies, carrots, frozen peas, green beans, etc. will spread out the saltiness and canned texture. A little bit of tomato sauce could go a long way as well, served over some plain rice. Since no one else has mentioned it yet, try with a can of hominy.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
6 Best Canned Corned Beef Brand 2020. Mary Kitchen Hash. Corned beef -14 ounce pack of 12. 4 packs ox and palm corned beef with juices 11.5 ounces Aya. Armor Star corned beef, 12 ounces. Libby corned beef 12 ounces, 3 pack. Palm corned beef, premium quality from New Zealand 4 by 11.5 ounces, 326 grams.
Take our lead.
In order to get your corned beef hash crispy, you need to cook it on each side long enough to dry out some of the surface moisture. Butter burns much faster than vegetable oils, so I advise using canola or corn oil or a vegetable blend oil. Heat the skillet over high heat until hot, add a thin layer of oil.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.